Hello friend, Namaste. It's me Santi Upadhyay. Welcome to Study channel Study English with Santi. Today I am going to analyze the essay Why to Go University by famous writer Moti Nishani. This essay is one of his popular essays. Please watch my video till the end, and if you like my video, please click on like button, share my video and subscribe my channel. Now let's come to the point. Now I am going to ask you a question before explaining the essay. Why do you go to the university? Yes, we go to university to fulfill our desire for learning and thirst for knowledge, means to satisfy our thirst for knowledge. It helps us to enhance, means to increase our future career and develops every aspect of our life. It helps for our all-round development. Higher education helps students to build their self-confidence and independence. Summary and analysis of the essay. Why to Why Go to University is an essay by Moti Nishani, who is an American writer and professor. This essay gives emphasis or focus on the importance of university education or higher education. In this essay, Nishani presents 10 different advantages or benefits of going university or university education and some disadvantages or weaknesses of university education. According to Nishani, although we have to spend a lot of time and money in university education, it enhances or increases our knowledge. From this essay, Nishani wants to tell us that university education is very important. Yes, we have to spend a lot of money to gain that education, but it is important to enhance our knowledge or enhance our career. According to Moti Nishani, there are various advantages or benefits of university education. University education helps us to get better job in future and support us to be financially independent, as it helps us to earn money, good amount of money, and we will be financially independent. Education is the third eye of a human being. An educated person sees opportunities even in obstacles or even in problems. Educated people are very aware or very conscious of their health in comparison to uneducated ones, as they have knowledge about different diseases and preventive measures, means they know how to prevent themselves from the disease and they apply such ways, so they become physically and mentally healthy as well as educated people are also conscious about the advantages of physical exercise, which is very important to physical, mental, and emotional well-being or emotionally healthy. They believe that sound mind means good mind exists in sound body. From this line, he means to say that a healthy mind exists in healthy body. So they do regular exercise and keep them fit and fine. Educated men and women are highly respected, or they get good prestige and honor in the society, and learned people or educated people are valued more by the culture. Lack of education damages or spoils social standing or social prestige or reputation and self-confidence. But the well-educated person has high confidence and can deal any social issues or any social problems very smoothly and effectively. Going to university expands or broadens our social horizon. We meet new people, make new friends, and share new experiences. Education plays vital role on our personal growth and increases the personal freedom.
Education makes less dogmatic about our own belief. Dogmatic means having trust on unproved beliefs or sayings and more tolerant about the belief of others. University education frees human mind from any kind of prejudices, means any kind of biasness. Education helps to flourish, means grow democracy in a country. University education makes us capable to judge or to analyze the policymakers and their policies. This helps the democratic system work properly. Thus, university education is very important and valuable in order to become noble and perfect human beings. Beside advantages, Nisani talks about some of the disadvantages of going to university. They are as follows: everyone can't go to university or can't get university education because they are not able to afford its expenses, means we have to pay a lot of money while getting university education, and this cannot be affordable for all. Engaging in higher education kills our time and money. We have to engage for a long time to get higher education. That's why it kills our time and money. It increases unnecessary burden and tension or problem in our life. It takes a long time to complete higher education. So we have to face economic crisis while achieving the degrees. Yes, it takes long time, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years to complete our higher education or to achieve our degree, and within that time we have to spend lots of money, and because of this reason it may create economic problem for us. Higher education is responsible for social problems. When we are educated, we will be aware about our rights and freedom, and for that we may have to raise our voice against the system or against the government, and it may create conflict and tension. That's why ignorance is happy. These are the disadvantages of university education Nisani mentions in his essay.
Critical analysis of the essay. The given essay, Why Go to University, is very interesting and impressive essay. In this essay, Nisani talks about the significance of university education in human life, means importance of university education in our life. It reforms our character and personality. Moreover, higher education is very important to get a better job, live a happy life and healthy life. It helps for our overall development, giving us every aspect of knowledge such as social, physical, mental, and spiritual. It broadens our minds and keeps us away from superstition and prejudice. Despite the various significance or importance of university education presented by Nisani, I can't entirely agree with some of his ideas. They are given below. Is only university or formal education important? Means, can't we get knowledge through informal education? What about informal and practical education? Do all educated people have a wealthy, healthy, and happy life? Do only educated people get respect in the society? There are many people who are not educated but they have good respect in their society. There are many people in our society who are very superstitious and occupied with prejudiced minds in spite of their higher education. Why? Means this kind of questions arises in my mind while learning the essay by Motinisani. However, there are some points on which we are not agree with Nisani, but university education is very important for our overall development. From this essay, we get the lesson that everyone should try to achieve higher education to bring changes in their life. Thank you, dear learners. This much in this video. I'll again come with some other new topic in my next video. Till then, thank you and goodbye.